Remember at the start of this transfer window, I said many Kaizer Chiefs players will move out of the club, will leave the club. Many contracts are expiring, and many contracts will be terminated. And kungenzeka kuhambe ama-players whom we thought they were doing well for Kaizer Chiefs last season, and we thought they are the Kaizer Chiefs kind of players. So bafana namhlanje ngiphathele iy'ndaba ey'ngekho right for ey'ngekho zinhle for thina ama-fans, but we'll have to get through it. Stay tuned to the video. Stay tuned to the video because I have more updates, and let's just jump straight into it. Okay. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa. I am your host Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from Great Town. Namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and do comment down below ukuthi ucabanga nge-content enginiphathele yona. So bafethu, I have some not good news for you because Kaizer Chiefs are looking to clear out the squad and try to rebuild the squad as a new coach and his technical. They are allowed to do that, and we want. Yeah, it's their right to do that. So, first thing first, the first reports came in today stating that Gaston Sereno is not training with Kaizer Chiefs. Gaston Sereno is training alone, and he won't be traveling with the squad to Spain for a preseason. And yeah, Bafetu, Gaston Sereno might be the one of the players who will leave Kaizer Chiefs as Kaizer Chiefs. I'm not sure if they are still in talks to give him one more option, or is it just over? But Gaston Sereno is not yet involved with the squad. He's not training with the squad. He's just training alone. He hasn't reported a Naturena to the training. So we'll see what happens. But Gaston Sereno is another player to watch that might leave Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs might announce anytime soon that Gaston Sereno uh, have left the club. So, what do you think on this, guys? Do you think Gaston Sereno deserves another 1 year at Kaizer Chiefs, or you think Kaizer Chiefs might just terminate or might just not give him the contract? My opinion, I think Gaston Sereno had a good first year season. Yeah, but his second season was not as good as we thought it will be. It never improved. He started to become a bench player. Uh, yeah, we expected a lot from him, but I think my own opinion. I think it would be good if Kaizer Chiefs can just let him go and let him go try something new somewhere else. Although as fans we like him, we are attached to him, but for the good of the club, for the healthiness of the club, it will be good for Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi mdedele umjitsa to go and try something new somewhere else. Bafethu, I know what you love Kaizer Chiefs players, and sometimes you don't even want them to leave the club. But times like this do come, and we have to accept that. Another player that this one will be hard because I thought he is doing good for Kaizer Chiefs. Either he start the game or he's coming off from the bench. He just give Kaizer Chiefs stability. You know, he has that balance. Even if he come from the bench, he will do the work. Here I'm talking about Uthabo Cele. Reportedly, Thabo Cele is not with the squad. Also, he's not traveling with the squad to Spain. So it's looking likely that Kaizer Chiefs will terminate his contract and let the guy go for free. For free. That might be the case. If we are terminating the player's contract, you mean they are free to leave the club as free agents. But yeah, me personally, I thought Utabo Cele was doing good. Uh, I really saw him in this season playing for Kaizer Chiefs. I really thought he's that kind of player that can even come from the bench and try to impact the game, change the game, and try to stabilize everything in this midfield. But it's not looking likely that Thabo Cele will stay at the club. If you remember well, I did a video where I mentioned that some Kaizer Chiefs players have removed Kaizer Chiefs from their Instagram bio pages. And I mentioned that Thabo Cele is one of them. Others, I think, were Ox Mthetho and Bruce Vuma. So I'm not talking about them today. I'm talking about Thabo Cele. Thabo Cele didn't remove Kaizer Chiefs from his bio. Then I didn't thought it was this deep. I didn't thought it might go as far as this, but I'm not saying he's leaving Kaizer Chiefs. Get, I don't know if you get me. I'm not saying Tabacele is leaving Kaizer Chiefs, but he's not traveling with the squad. He has removed Kaizer Chiefs in his bio. The signs are there. The signs are there. And if he's leaving because he had like, I think it's a one more year in his contract because I think he signed a 3-year contract with Kaizer Chiefs. So if he's leaving, that means Kaizer Chiefs have to cancel a contract in order for him to leave. And if you cancel the contract, you mean that Kaizer Chiefs, that the player might leave as a free agent. Yeah, those are the sad news, part of the sad news. But you can tell me, what do you think? Do you think Thabo Cele is leaving the club, or do you think it's just coincident? Kuyenzeka vele kuqondane izinto, but what do you think? Do you think kuqondane izinto, or do you really think Thabo Cele is leaving Kaizer Chiefs? Or tell me ukuthi, how do you feel about him leaving Kaizer Chiefs? Me personally, I would really love him to stay even for one more year, but it's not my choice. It's not my choice. It's his choice and his agent and the management. So my job is to report the news, and I'm telling you that I'm not saying he's already left the club or he's leaving. I'm telling you that the signs are there. The signs are there, but even top South Africans journalists have reported this. So yeah, the chances are there that Thabo Cele might leave Kaizer Chiefs. On another story that I want us to touch, as we saw our new kids, the thing I noticed is that we saw Steve Mendes, the top talent at Kaizer Chiefs. He's one of the top talents, really. And I hope that he might get his chance this season. Edlala Umjisa, he's good on the ball, off the ball. I really love him. Let's hope he will get promoted. Another story that I want us to talk about is to clear the air of Lucas Ribeiro coming to Kaizer Chiefs, because it is not happening, guys. Mamelodi Sundowns are on top of him, Experience are on top of him, and that Al Hilal was a club which is coached by Roland Mukwena, is on top of him. They want him, so chances of him coming to Kaizer Chiefs are 0%. So let's just write Lucas Ribeiro off of players that we might look like Professor Salome. We can work around there and see what Kaizer Chiefs can come up with. But Lucas Ribeiro won't happen. Lucas Ribeiro won't happen. I think this is I have for you today, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and tell me what do you think about these players that might leave Kaizer Chiefs. Tell me what, and also tell me what do you think about Steve Mendes? Do you really want the guy to be promoted, or do you want him to stay for maybe one more year at DDC and improve even more? Drop your comment down below. Thank you for watching the video. See you on another one. Danko.